Welcome to Tech and Finance Code, your go-to channel for the latest trends in technology, finance, and online business success. If you're looking for real, actionable ways to make money online in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful and beginner-friendly methods that can help you earn from home, whether you're a freelancer, a student, or someone looking for a side hustle. And make sure you stick around until the very end, because we'll reveal one method that can earn you thousands of dollars per month with almost zero effort. So, let's get started. AI-powered freelancing. Freelancing is booming in 2025, but what if you could use AI to do the work for you? With tools like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, and 11 Labs for voiceovers, you can offer AI-assisted services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Some freelancers are earning $50 to $200 per gig just by using AI to generate blog posts, design logos, and even create video scripts like this one. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income online. Simply promote a product or service on your website, YouTube, or social media, and earn a commission for every sale. Programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer commissions ranging from 5% to over 50% per sale. Some high-ticket programs even pay $500 or more per referral. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. In 2025, content creation is still one of the most profitable online opportunities. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can generate thousands of dollars per month. And here's the best part, you don't even need to show your face. AI tools can create faceless YouTube videos, just like this one. They're dropshipping and e-commerce. Dropshipping lets you sell products online without ever touching inventory. With platforms like Shopify, Printful, and Spocket, you can set up an online store and start selling trending products, while suppliers handle storage, packaging, and shipping. All you need to do is find winning products and run ads to drive sales. Online tutoring and coaching. If you have expertise in math, finance, coding, or even fitness, you can start tutoring online. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and VIPKid let you create courses and coach students, providing a steady income stream. Selling digital products. Forget about shipping physical products. Digital products are the future. You can sell ebooks, Notion templates, AI prompts, and design assets on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy, and make passive income while you sleep. Virtual assistants and remote work. Businesses are always hiring virtual assistants to handle email management, scheduling, and social media. Remote workers earn anywhere from $10 to $50 per hour, and websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Belay can help you land jobs fast. Print-on-demand business. With print-on-demand, you can sell t-shirts, mugs, or posters without inventory or upfront costs. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful handle everything from printing to shipping, and you earn a commission for every sale. The stock market and crypto investing. Investing is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth. Apps like Robinhood, Binance, and Coinbase make it easy to start trading stocks, ETFs, and crypto with just a few dollars. The key to success? Start small, invest wisely, and focus on long-term growth. AI-generated faceless YouTube channels. Now, here's a game changer. You can run a YouTube channel without ever recording your voice or showing your face. Using tools like Pictory for video editing, 11 Labs for AI voiceovers, and ChatGPT for script writing, you can create fully automated faceless videos that generate ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. At Tech and Finance Code, we'll show you exactly how to do this. And there you have it, 10 powerful ways to make money online in 2025. Which method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech and finance strategies. This is Tech and Finance Code, bringing you the best in digital finance and online success. See you in the next video.